Imagine this. A political monkey screams, "Bananas for everyone!" Everyone believes it. Poor monkeys. Clap like it's Black Friday. Rich monkey frowns. Someone just hiked their taxes again. Everything's perfect until it's not. Worker monkey sprints to the market, sweating like a marathon with slow Wi-Fi. Then shock. Nothing. Not a single banana. Empty shelves, empty carts. What would you do if everything vanished in a second? The great promise. The idea was simple. Distribute bananas from each according to their ability to each according to their need. Large families, more bananas. Singles, fewer. No one goes hungry. The poor monkeys clap like Beyoncé fans at a free concert. The rich monkey runs off worried, like someone just raised the price of caviar. The middle class hesitates, but joins in because, they always want the best of both worlds. It seemed like a dream of total equality. All trees would belong to everyone. No one would have individual property. But what looked perfect hit a huge problem. What happened next? No one saw coming. Not even your aunt who always says, "I told you so." Banana revolution. The first month's work. Everything is shared fairly. Poor monkeys eat and smile. Rich monkey eats less, but still doesn't protest. Hasn't tweeted about it yet. The government calculates exactly how many bananas each plantation needs. North, 300 south, 400 east, 300 all planned, all controlled, mathematically balanced, but the illusion wouldn't last, because utopia will soon clash with human reality. The big mistake. Why bother? Productivity drops faster than crypto prices on a Monday. Smart monkey starts losing his mind. He has to decide, green bananas, ripe, dried. For juice, for drying. Quantities, regions, timing. His brain can't handle it. Insomnia, shortages. Monkeys in line endless. The government says it's temporary. Sabotage by the rich, but the lines just grow. Some monkeys in line bring folding chairs, snacks, and portable Wi-Fi. The promise of equality starts to crumble. The government bans it, but the law of supply and demand works anyway, like memes going viral without permission. Rich monkey with political connections lives better, premium bananas, better houses, easy jobs. Poor monkey realizes we were never equal. Monopolitic explains, some monkeys are more important to the system. They need to be well-fed to make decisions. Crushing logic, but unfair. Like crypto ads on Twitter. And the gap only gets bigger every day. Symbolic rewards and bureaucracy. Point system, work, earn points, buy special stuff, GoCo radio, premium hammock, exclusive beach. It works, but requires more bureaucracy than a U.S. tax form. More planner monkey managing. Fewer worker monkey producing. Vicious circle activated. Years pass. System stays due to fear and habit. Protesting monkey, disappear. Yes, like your savings in a meme stock. The illusion of equality remains, but only in appearance, and no one smiles. Socialist monkey looks on enviously, cannot leave. Closed border. Young monkey with VPN is born into this system, knows nothing else. He accepts lines, shortages, lack of options, until he sees the capitalist jungle via VPN. 50 types of bananas in a supermarket at the same time. His mind explodes, probably wondering why they still use regular toilet paper. And what happens with the next generation will be even more surprising. He sees the system failed, still believes in the idea, but admits the implementation was problematic. Optimistic, but with burned-out worker syndrome. Allergic to numbers and bananas. He retires to a cabin, grows tomatoes alone. Nobody judges. The new generation sees the experiments as historical curiosities, cassettes, landline phones. Interesting, but obsolete. Like your genes from 2005. Modern hybrids. Some jungles mix capitalism and socialism. Private companies, progressive taxes, money for education and healthcare. Entrepreneur monkey thrives. Lazy monkey survives without luxuries. Hybrid system works better than extremes. Pure socialism equals broken GPS. Tells you where to go, but never knows where you are. And probably no signal. Incentives and human nature. Central planning equals impossible. Too many variables, constant changes. Worker monkey needs motivation, money, freedom, recognition, purpose. If not, Netflix and rules forever. Absolute power corrupts always, without exception. Free market, natural superpowers. No planner can compete. The lesson is simple. Don't trust utopian promises. And yes, your bank lies too. All systems are run by monkeys. Imperfect, selfish, generous, irrational. Socialism taught us. Inequality exists and politicians exploit it. Individual freedom, priceless. But if you thought this was crazy, Wait until you see Putin explained with bananas, chaos, broken promises, strategies even the cleverest monkeys couldn't imagine. Click now before another political monkey grabs your banana.